Hello everybody, I'm James. Today I'm going to give you a quick walk around tour of our latest used car in stock. This is a Peugeot 3008 Allure 1.2 litre petrol automatic in Cumulus Grey. This has £2,500 worth of added options from factory, such as the opening panoramic sunroof. The alloys are 18-inch and diamond cut. There you can see your sunroof. You have the L.E.D.Tail system on the front doors with push button start. Here inside book pack, here you have your servicing and warranty guide. And if we find the service part, it's been serviced 3 times. With the latest one being here at Swansway Chester Peugeot. The seats are part leather and you have one ISOFIX mounting point in the front. Here in the rear, you have 2 additional ISOFIX mounting points. In the middle seat you do have an armrest with 2 cup holders as well as access into the boot. You have 1 touch windows all around with pinch protection. You have back of the seat storage and 2-way rear fence with 12-volt socket outlet. Another feature on this 3008 is the smart electric tailgate, which you can open with a foot swipe like I've done here. The boot on this 3008 is the biggest in its class. You have these leaves on the right and left, and when you pull them the seats will collapse, giving you an even bigger boot space, and you have a lighter 12-volt socket outlet on the left hand side. Underneath here you do have your spare wheel with all your tools to take off and change the wheel at the side of the road, just in case you do get an unfortunate puncture. And to close the boot, all you need to do is press the big red button on the boot lid. This 3008 has covered 13,050 miles, but that will rise due to test drives. You have serial mode controls on the right and left, behind the wheel to the left. You have cruise control and speed limiter on its own independent store. The speed limiter will light up in orange once it's on, and cruise control will light up in green. You have piano keys controlling all the functions on the 7-inch touchscreen display. You have 3D TomTom sat-nav. Here you have all of your driving functions and the vehicle settings. You can connect to the car by Bluetooth or Apple CarPlay with a link in Android Auto using the USB port located below your piano keys. Here you have your reversing camera with direction assist and different viewing modes of automatic, so when you get close to a curb it will zoom in. You have zoomed as well as 180. If we go back into driving functions and then vehicle access, you could have it so you can use the L.E.D.Tail system. If you are interested in this Peugeot 3008 Allure, then please give us a call on 01244 88 3079. Thank you and have a very good day.